Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. In the last session, we have learned about page layout and borders and shading. In this session, we will study about drop cap. Drop cap effect. A drop cap is a large capital letter at the beginning of a paragraph. This decorative element is usually seen in novels. To insert a drop cap effect in Word, follow these steps. Select the first character of a paragraph and click Insert. Select drop cap in the text group. Select the desired drop cap option. The origin of the drop cap effect dates back to the 9th century when it was used in religious books. Inserting images from a file. Pictures make a document more interesting. We can insert pictures from the computer into a Word document. To insert pictures from the computer into a Word document, follow these steps. Place the cursor at the place where you want to insert the image. Click the Insert tab. Select pictures in the Illustrations group. In the dialog box, select an image file from any location in your computer and click Insert. The image is added to the document. Inserting word art. The word art feature available in MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint adds special effects to texts such as outlines, shadow, 3D effects and gradient glow. To apply word art effect to your text, follow these steps. Select the text on which you wish to apply the word art effect. Click the Insert tab. Select the word art option in the text group. Choose the desired effect from the word art gallery. The letter A represents the different styles that can be applied to the text. Steps to insert symbols. Sometimes we may have to use special symbols such as the Indian rupee symbol in a Word document. Such symbols or special characters are not present on the standard keyboard but can be inserted by following the given steps. Place the cursor at the position you want to insert a symbol. Click the symbol button in the symbols group under the Insert tab. Select the More Symbols option. Select the symbol from the symbol dialog box. With shapes. Various shapes such as stars, banner, callouts and collectors can be drawn in a Word document. Shapes help in drawing attention to a particular topic and make the document look more attractive. To insert a shape, follow these steps. Place your cursor at the position you wish to insert a shape. In the Insert tab, click Shapes in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu is displayed with various options such as rectangles, lines, stars and banners. Click a particular shape. Suppose we select the smiley from Basic Shapes. The mouse pointer will change to a crosshair pointer. Drag the mouse and draw the shape. The selected shape now appears in the document. To add a style to the shape, you can choose any option from the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. Adding text in shapes. To add a text in shapes, follow these steps. Select the shape, right click on it and select the Add Text option. Type the text inside the shape. So children, what did we learn in this lesson? We learned that Format Painter is used to copy font size, color and type from one item to another. The Find and Replace feature in Word helps you search for a word or phrase in a document and replace it with next text. Page layout describes how each page of your document will appear when it is printed. The Print Preview option lets you view your document before printing it. Drop cap is a special text effect where the first letter of a paragraph is larger than the rest of the text. The Borders and Shading tool is used to enhance the appearance of text in a paragraph. We can insert picture files from our computer into a Word document. WordArt allows us to add special effects to a text. Symbols are special characters or signs that can be inserted into a Word document.